Okay, I wanted to show really quickly how to park a document. So you go to entering the document and the reference header text. Use the same GL account for expenses. Debit here, and then same account for payment. So that comes out of cash. So credit star, and this kind of validates. And then you go here. Well, you can click here and you can park the document. But when you park the document, you get a document number. But if you hold the document, it doesn't give the document number. So you park, and it will say document 105 parked. And then you can later come back and post. So I'll show you quickly how you can post the parked document. So edit or park here. So you go to FV50. So you go to FV50, and here you can click on document, and you can just select park document, and it populates the last one. But if you were not aware of what it was, then you can go here and it'll populate, and you can add filter criteria, and then it will bring up the document, and then you can select that and it will populate there, and you put in fiscal year and then you continue. And then if you have to make changes, you make changes, or you can go in and then click on document and then post, and then you post. All right, in this video, let's see if we can hold the document and then go back and post the whole held document. So let's hold the document. So we go to MP50 where we enter the GL document, date, the header text, the GL account, the one which we have been using for our expenses, and debit. If I can click, okay, debit, $100, and the account that we have been using, the cash. So we'll pick that. Right, and then star. Okay, so the document is validated. Now let's put on hold. So when you put on hold, unlike Park where it gives a document number, it will ask you to give document. So you can give any document number. It doesn't have to be a number, but you can give a like any random text, and then hold the document. And now you go back, you do some transactions, and later on you want to come back and post that held document. Then you go to F-02, and then you click on held document. And if you know the number, fine. If not, then you can just click on document list, so it will pull up all the documents that were held by this user. And then you click on it, and then you choose. You can delete also. So you choose, and then if you want to modify this, you can modify, or you can go in here and then post. So you go ahead and post. So then it will give a message it was posted. So 107 is posted. And then you go back, and if you now try to look for held, it does not. The held document is already posted. So you go back. Now, if you want to look at the document 107, so you can go in here. It will populate 107. You put in the fiscal year, and then you get right. It was 107, 2025. Then that will bring the document. Then you can go to GL view. You can go to header. It's essay posted by this person, reference key, date, time, everything, and the transaction code that was used. Thank you for watching.